for you today. Yes, it's ornament season here on Red Head Art. I've done quite a few recently, and you probably saw my little polar bears before, and the polar bears made me go, hang on a minute, we could make a little Winnie the Pooh. Now what makes this Winnie the Pooh extra special is that this is a special ornament for my little niece. She had her naming ceremony a couple of weekends ago, and her naming ceremony was all about Winnie the Pooh, or Winnie the Pooh themed. So Winnie the Pooh is a very special character in her life, and I thought, what if I take one of the bubblies, so this was our Prosecco at the party, I took one of the corks and I turned that cork into a special keepsake ornament just for her. So every year she can put this on her tree, and hopefully it will remind her and her mum and dad of the lovely day we had on her naming ceremony. So anyway, that was enough waffle from me. Let's take a look and watch my slideshow video of how to make this little cutie. So I hope you liked that video. I know it was only a slideshow, but I thought it would still be lovely for you to see and learn how to make this little guy. You can also check out my polar bear ornament video if you need a bit more details, but really it is just a question of painting and adding features to your cork to turn it into this lovely little Winnie the Pooh character. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching and keep making, and of course I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.